Making money online has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many people looking for ways to earn extra income or even start their own online business. The internet offers a wealth of opportunities to make money, whether it's through freelance work, selling products online, or even starting a blog or YouTube channel. If you're looking to make money online, here are some tips and ideas to get you started. Freelance work. One of the easiest ways to make money online is through freelance work. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a platform for freelancers to find work in a variety of fields, including writing, graphic design, web development, and more. All you need is a marketable skill, computer, and an internet connection. Sell products online. Another popular way to make money online is through selling products. You can sell physical products through an e-commerce website like Amazon or Etsy, or you can sell digital products like ebooks or online courses. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, it's easy to set up an online store and start selling products. Blogging. Blogging has become a popular way to make money online, especially for those who love to write. Starting a blog is relatively easy and can be done for free using platforms like WordPress or Blogger. Once you have a following, you can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content.